Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick meal. This is going to be like under 15 minutes. We're going to be making a pork gravy with mashed potatoes, and because it's so quick, we're going to just jump into the video. So I'm just going to start off with about half a pound of ground pork, but you can use any ground meat of your choice, whether that's beef, chicken, or turkey, whatever suits you best. You're just going to start to brown the meat. Once the meat is mostly brown, we're going to go ahead and add in some roughly chopped oyster mushrooms. I have them already chopped and washed. We're going to add that directly into the meat, and we're just going to cook this until the meat is no longer pink. We're going to go ahead and just strain any of the excess liquid from our pan and then return it to the medium-high heat. At this point, we're going to start seasoning our meat. We're going to add salt, pepper, some chili powder, and some turmeric, but feel free to add in any extra spices that suit your fancy. And you're just going to go ahead and add in about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and we're going to give it all a good stir so that all of the spices are well combined with the mushrooms and meat. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add in any herbs that we want. I just added in oregano before going in with about a quarter cup of red wine. And I'm just going to cook this until all of the alcohol goes away, dissipates, reduces. You know what I mean, till all the alcohol is gone. Then I went in with a teaspoon of whole grain mustard and a teaspoon of sinapi, which is also another type of mustard. And then we're just going to mix it all in really well, and then we're going to go in with about a cup of chicken broth or any broth of your choice, as well as about a tablespoon of flour. Give that a mix, and then you're just going to bring this all to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to finish with our potatoes. So I have 2 boiled and chopped potatoes here. I'm just going to drain them of the excess water. And then I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of butter, some salt and pepper to taste, as well as about a quarter cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And just go ahead and mash that all together and combine it. And with that, we are done our meal. All that's left is to plate up our mashed potatoes and our beef gravy, and there you have it, a really quick and easy under 15-minute meal. I made the portions for 2, but of course you can always up the portions if you're making it for a family or more. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up so I know to make more of these really quick and easy meal ideas, and subscribe for new videos every week, and make sure to leave me a comment below on what you guys want to see next. And until next time, guys, bye!